How's it going, everybody? If you have been looking for insurance for your electric vehicle here in the state of Michigan, you probably have noticed that it is more expensive to insure than a regular gas-powered car. So in this video, I want to talk about why that is, what to look for in a policy for your electric vehicle, and then also mention a few companies that typically offer the best rates for electric vehicles. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find the video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else. First, the biggest difference between insuring an electric vehicle versus a regular combustion engine car is going to come down to the physical damage coverages. This is your comprehensive and collision coverages. These are often more expensive for EVs because of the higher repair costs, especially because of the cost of the battery. The battery is typically the most expensive part of an electric vehicle, and if it is damaged in an accident, there's a good chance that it will need to be repaired or replaced, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars. So that's a major reason why this part of the insurance policy for electric vehicles is more expensive. One way to help potentially manage these costs is by looking at adjusting your deductibles for these coverages. Raising your deductible, if you are comfortable paying that amount out of pocket in the event of a claim, can help lower your premiums. You can also consider switching from broad to standard collision coverage. But again, it is important to understand the potential out-of-pocket costs. Now, while there may be some differences in the physical damage coverages, there are certain key coverages that are on every policy that will remain just as important. Coverages like bodily injury liability, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, and then of course, personal injury protection coverage, also known as PIP coverage. These will most likely stay the same regardless if you are insuring an electric vehicle or a gas-powered car. And I've made several other videos on some of these coverages and topics, so I will link them all in the description below, and feel free to check out those as well if you are looking to get some more information on a certain coverage. Because a lot of these key coverages are critical to protect you, your passengers, and others on the road as well. For electric vehicle owners, there are some additional coverages to keep in mind as well. Loan or lease gap coverage is one. If your car is totaled, this covers the difference between what your car is worth and what you still owe on your loan or lease. So if you have any sort of financing on a vehicle, this is extremely important to have on there. And depending on the insurance company you're working with and if they offer it, OEM parts replacement costs can also be a great coverage option to have on there as well. This ensures that the repairs are done with the original manufacturer's parts. Now, when it comes to finding affordable coverage options, I have found that there are three companies that are typically most competitive and offer the best rates. First is going to be Auto Owners Insurance, then there's Cincinnati Insurance, and finally Progressive Insurance. There are other insurance companies out there that can be competitive, but I have found that these three have been consistently providing the best rates for a lot of our clients. And last, I do want to mention that one of the easiest ways to lower the cost of your insurance for your electric vehicle is to bundle that auto policy with either a home, condo, or renter's insurance policy. Nearly every insurance company out there does give a substantial discount when you do have multiple policies with them, so it is always something worth looking into to see what the savings could be. Overall, I do anticipate and hope that premiums for electric vehicles will stabilize more over time as the technology continues to improve, repair costs become more stable, and then insurance companies just in general become more comfortable underwriting them. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your insurance for your electric vehicle or for anything else, whether it's commercial or personal, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal, please feel free to reach out directly or leave a comment below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.